One in a million. 안녕하세요. 정연입니다. Today I will show you how to go to Apple House whilst you're playing Zepeto. Okay, we're already in Apple House. Let's get in and see the features of it. Okay, this is the restaurant. It sells Tteokbokki, which is my favorite food. Okay, this is the dining area. We sit there and eat food. But first, we get food what we want, at least Tteokbokki. And that's it. This is the pickup place. Okay, this is the drive-thru. We get food in the car. Okay, this is the exact place where we get food from, like tteokbokki. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 안녕!